the channel. Today, we're gonna find out if my wife, Ashley, approves of the new toy we just bought. Check it out. So we're gonna fire it up here and take it for a spin, and hopefully the wife approves. We're gonna find out anyway. So it's a 2015 Wildcat X 1000 Limited. It's kind of cool because this model comes with the ITP wheels and tires, and this one's used. Came with someone put an aluminum roof on it. I think the stock ones come with the plastic ones, whatever. And it comes with actually the nice doors. I don't know who makes these, but I don't know if it's Arctic Cat put someone else's parts on their machine or if they're Arctic Cat parts. But anyway, it's been idling a little bit here. Let's get going.
Your turn.
I'd say she's getting the hang of it. I think she likes it. So the question is, do you approve?
Sleepless nights, you wake me up when the sun goes down. myself when the sun goes down.
So I'm pretty happy with Wildcat, and I think it's pretty obvious that Ashley also approves.